Hey guys, today I have another Sophie and Toffee haul to share with you. I also picked up some gorgeous nail art supplies on eBay and AliExpress that can totally be used for resin crafting and decodan too. So if you want to see my awesome new crafting supplies, then drop a like and stay tuned. Okay, so first off, hey guys, I'm back. And second of all, this video is totally not intended to be ASMR. However, it is just that everyone is sleeping in my house. My son is sleeping in the room across the hall, so I don't want to like disturb him or disturb anyone, wake anyone up. It's just that I hadn't done a video in like a week or more. You guys know that, so I really didn't want to wait till tomorrow to film this. This is like the first chance I've had. Just did my nails, yay. So anyway, like I was saying, I got this package from Sophie and Toffee. It did come a couple days before Christmas, but it was a Christmas present, so I didn't want to open it. And then I did get all this other stuff from eBay and AliExpress. This is actually UV nail gel. More ASMR sounds. Ooh. You can use it to fill bezels. Like, oh my gosh, so these are the open bezels that I make. I have showed you guys some of them before, but it turns out, and I've been into nail art for like about 5 years now. I was actually into nail art before I got back into crafting, and way before I started with resin. But it turns out you can use UV nail builder gel to fill your bezels. So I cannot wait because it comes in all different colors, which I will show you guys. But anyway, let us jump into this Sophie and Toffee package. Yay. I honestly can't even remember what I ordered, you guys. Okay, so I will tell you, these two resins you're going to see on top, these are colored resins. These are actually not from Sophie and Toffee, even though Sophie and Toffee does sell this brand. I found it on eBay, but when they came, I just shoved it in this box so that I wouldn't lose track of them. So I did get the UV resin in pink right here. Cannot wait to try that, because so far I've just been coloring my own clear resin or using the opaque resins. And this one I think is violet. Yes, violet right there. I'd like to get pretty much all the colors. I didn't like the look of some of them, but apparently you can like mix them with clear, you know, to lighten them a bit. So yeah, really can't wait to use those. So I did get those. So, oh my goodness, I'm so sorry about the bag noise, you guys. So I also did get the clear shaker oil, which is awesome because I had ordered it once before and then it got recalled, so they couldn't send it to me. So I did get some of the clear shaker oil, and what that is for these little shakers that I make, these resin shakers. Now I can put oil in them so the stuff will be like floating, you know, and it'll be really cool. This is the first one I ever made, so I kind of like put too much stuff in it, so it doesn't shake very well, but it's still really, really pretty. And it does like kind of move around. See, now you can see it. But yeah, you can just kind of fill them with whatever you want. I ordered a whole bunch of different new spangles and confettis and glitters and sequins. They haven't all arrived yet. There's just some of them. But anyway, I'll just continue. So I did get more of the Deco Whip, and this is the mint and lilac. Oh my goodness, see, I just changed my setup. Otherwise, I would have been able to show you what I had made with this before, but I'll take that out of the package to show this. This is a glitter whip. It is a jelly whip. It is absolutely gorgeous, you guys. It smells great too. And now let's see what is in here is going to be a surprise for me as well as you, because I forget what I ordered. Yay, finally. Okay, my open bezel tape has arrived. So I have been using washi tape on the back of my open bezels. You like my cute little sockies? Are they just adorable? So I've been using washi tape, and that works great for the clear glitter ones like this, but for the opaque, it hasn't been working that well. So really excited about this clear, because then I'll be able to flip them over and cure the other side under my nail lamp. If you guys are into nail art, you know, if you're watching this for the nail art haul and you guys have been looking for a new hobby, resin is just like the perfect hobby for you guys to graduate to, because I promise you, you already own 95% of the supplies that you need. Same thing, vice versa. With resin and nail art. Ooh, so I got some more of the deco sauce, and this looks like a lilac. Let us see. Yes, it is the lilac chocolate deco sauce. I just love these. I reuse these too for my own shipping for my jewelry and different Happy Mail packages that I send out to different YouTubers. And ooh, so I got a new mold, and this is like deer antlers. And I just can't wait to add that to some resin pieces. I just think they are so gorgeous. So I can't wait to make some glitter antlers. So I also got some pearl pigments. Awesome. So this is the blue. And they actually have a few different shades of blue. This was like the lighter, brighter blue, if that makes any sense to you guys. So I also got the black. I think this is the black pearl pigment. Yes. Gorgeous. I definitely got the mint. Let's see what this one's called. Definitely looks mint to me. So it is called light green. Gorgeous. Feel some more pigments. So I also got the light pink. And let's see if it's called light pink. It is called pink. So this one's just called pink if you want that one. It is gorgeous. Hopefully I got the purple too. Let's see what else. Ooh, so here is my UV glue. So this is awesome, guys. So I have just been using my clear UV resin to glue things, but now I have an actual UV glue. Don't know if it's actually going to be any different. But yeah, this is awesome, and I actually have more of this coming that I ordered from eBay too. It actually should have been here a while ago. Not sure why it hasn't arrived yet. Let's see what else. Ooh, so here are more of the mermaid little iridescent. Let me see if I can read what they're called. So they are called pink iridescent water bubbles. And I always say mermaid bubbles. I think it's because they came with the Mermaid DIY Elves box. But anyway, yeah. My December Elves box has still not arrived. Apparently it was shipped yesterday. What the heck? But anyway, yeah. Very, very beautiful. I did buy these once before. And let's see, so it looks like I didn't get the pearl pigment, but you know what? I might have ordered the pearl pigment once before. I think yeah, you guys, I already have the lilac pearl pigment, so that's why I didn't get it here. So this is the stuff that I got from Sophie and Toffee. Really awesome. Really, really happy with this order in total. Over here, you guys, and now we will get into the stuff from eBay and AliExpress, because it is just as awesome, if not more awesome. So let's get into that. So I just took a second to unbox / unbag everything for you guys. Now I can show you a better look at this glitter whip. I honestly love this glitter whip, you guys. You know how I feel about Sophie and Toffee prices and stuff like that. However, I do not really know any other place to get dual tone glitter whip other than maybe Miniature Sweets. So like this stuff is freaking awesome. If I hadn't just changed my setup, like I said, I could have showed you guys something I made with this, but the colors are just gorgeous. However, I did recently find glitter whip on eBay. So yeah, you can get it on eBay now much cheaper. It's not dual toned, and they did not have these gorgeous colors. However, if you really want glitter whip and you need it cheaper, you can get it there. Anyway, let us jump into this other stuff because it is really awesome. So on eBay, I did find some cabochons. And these are like the little Luna and Artemis heads from Sailor Moon. Not really sure if this is Luna or Artemis. Honestly, you guys, don't kill me. It's been about 22 years since I've watched an episode of Sailor Moon. They came out when I was a kid. So anyway, yeah, and I use these. I've been making the most gorgeous chokers out of these. I just like string a whole bunch of them. I will show you guys in another video. I'm going to be listing them in my shop as well. So I got them in baby blue, and in like a lilac-y color, a lot cheaper than I had found them on AliExpress. I also got these like glitters and spangles and confettis. So these I thought would be awesome for resin. Pretty much I thought all of these would be awesome for resin and also for shakers. So that was my thought behind getting these. So I did get those. I also found, okay, so I looked up nail art supplies. Now, I've been doing nail art for like 5 years. I think I might have mentioned that. However, in the last couple years, a whole bunch of new nail art supplies obviously came out because like I had so many. Honestly, guys, I like stopped buying them because I had like way too many nail art supplies. So, they've come out with new stuff. Excuse me. Here is one of the things right here. These are so precious, you guys. You know what? I'm going to open these up. Okay, so you guys, these are so freaking gorgeous, okay? Not only are they gorgeous little rhinestones, but they are actually mint. Do you know how hard it was for me back in the day to find actual mint colored nail art, 3D nail art, UV, LED nail art stuff? Oh my goodness, you guys, it was like impossible. There was so much baby blue and pink, but like barely any mint. So these are actually mint. These are like rhinestones in all different sizes. They are not flat backs, so they would be perfect for UV resin bezels. They would like sink into the back but like stick up in the front. So I got these. I also got them in pink too. I'm pretty sure the pinks already arrived, so I'm not really sure where the heck they are because I can't find them. But anyway, yeah, I did get those. And then I also got a pack with like all the different colors, only in the same size instead of like different sizes. So I may take this out of the bag. So you guys, I don't know if I mentioned, I'm like doing a room tour I've been setting up. So like my whole setup is different, and I'm gonna have to fix like the lighting over here where I'm filming. But yeah, it has like a lavender, a baby blue, there is a white, a pink, of course there's some mint and some yellow. You guys, these are so freaking precious. So then I got these, and I also thought these would be gorgeous to glue on my resin pieces with some of that UV glue. So I did get these. And they're all like flipped upside down, but once again, they're in all the different colors. There's lavender, there's baby blue, there's pink, there's mint. Really, really, really cute. So I got those ones too. And then these ones, I think were called Opal. And they are so pretty, guys. And they come with all the different shapes. Give you a little ASMR there for you. Ooh, and a dizzy headache at the same time. Sorry about that. So anyway, they're so cute. So there's like round, there's diamond, there's oval. So pretty. I love those. And you can get those in different shapes as well. So then I found these ones. So they are half pink and then half with like a whitey silver AB. And these are squares. They are studs. And I thought they would be, once again, perfect for UV resin. And if you can't picture how you could use these, basically you would like put them, you know, on top, and they would just stick up like that, right? And it would be really pretty and really cute. So I also, oh my gosh, these are some of my favorites, guys. Am I gonna have to take these out of the plastic? So these are like the same colors, only they're like a different shape. I'm not sure exactly what this is called. Oh, it had a name. I think they called it Marquee. I'm not sure why. Comment below if you know this to be called a marquee shape. I think they called it Marquee. Not sure if that refers to the shape or the color or what, but these are just gorgeous. They are so pastel. Once again, I think they'll be perfect. Now, like, you can't cover your resin over them because, like, covering resin over rhinestones ruins them, like, just the same as UV nail gel. You know, it kind of, like, just takes away the facets. But, you know, if you just let them stick out the top, you know, they'll be gorgeous. So I got those ones. Then I also got these, which I use these on my nails constantly. And then I actually even used these on a open bezel charm. It didn't turn out that great. They kind of faded in a bit. or like sunk in a bit. But here, see, I made it for the eyes, but then somehow it cured too fast and the little nose like wiped right off after. But I think they're really cute. So those are what I used for that. I think next time I'll just glue them on top of the resin with the UV glue. But so these ones, I've only had round in the past, and these ones come with square too. So I thought that was so cool. So I got those. And then last but not least, for the little nail wheels, I did get these, which just come with some little balls and some other little pieces that I think would look great on the open bezel charms. Now to show you guys this UV nail gel, because you guys, I got a huge freaking bag full ton of it, and you guys, it is so pretty. Let's get into it. I haven't cracked them open yet, you guys, but I can't wait to use these. So let's jump into that. Okay, guys, so here are all the little pots of UV nail gel. This is how they come, and like I said, this stuff is absolutely great. It is just like resin, you guys, and I was doing nail art, like I've probably already mentioned a few times before. I was doing resin and noticed how similar they were, and then started glazing my resin pieces with nail lacquer or UV gel top coat, and it turned out so great. Then I saw a video that you could fill your open bezels with the gel builder. So oh my gosh, the nail gel. So I am going to open these up for you guys, just because of the fact that I don't have a tripod and I'm dealing with one hand. I'm just going to open them all at once, and then put the little numbers under for color reference in case you want to order them. But yeah, you guys, this stuff is awesome, and it comes pre-mixed, the colors and sparkles, so you don't have to mix the glitter in yourself. How awesome is that? So let's open these babies up. I can't wait to see the colors I ordered, because I totally forgot. And yeah, let's open them up. I now have all the little pots opened in front of me, all the little nail gel jars. Here they are. This is what all the colors look like. I opened them off camera for two reasons. One, because I don't have a tripod, and two, so you guys don't have to see me, you know, screwing around with one hand, struggling. But anyway, so here is how the colors look. I am absolutely in love with these pastel opaques over here. They are gorgeous. And then here are the other colors. They are so pretty, you guys. Oh my goodness. So this is number 5. It is the glitter purple. And then the turquoise is number 7. And then these ones are a rose gold. They are number 25. And then the black is number 18. They are all so pretty. Unfortunately, the silver one like totally spilled in the packages, but I did get 2. And then there is also a second mint in there, but the pink is like really filled up. Oh my goodness. So altogether, I think I got 11 pots. So yeah, I'm pretty happy. Really can't wait to use that rose gold. It looks really gorgeous. But yeah, like I said, you just use a toothpick and then put it into your open bezel, just like you would do with any UV resin. So anyway, I hope you guys really enjoyed this UV resin deco den and nail art haul from Sophie and Toffee, eBay, and AliExpress. Don't forget to join me for my next haul, my room tour, which is coming up in a few days, and my Sanrio giveaway. I'll see you guys next time. Miss Eddie Blue.